Welcome back to Improve Autos. The battle for America's favorite truck is heating up. The 2026 Ram 1500 is here, and it's arguably the most radical redesign in the truck's history. Why? Because the legendary HEMI V8 is officially retired. This new Ram is all about high-tech efficiency, stunning luxury, and electric power, proving that the future of trucking doesn't need 8 cylinders to dominate. The biggest story under the hood is the new standard engine, the 3.0-liter twin-turbo Hurricane Straight 6. This engine comes in 2 flavors, a standard output of around 420 horsepower and a high-output version hitting nearly 540 horsepower. This is more powerful than the outgoing V8, meaning Ram drivers get more performance and better fuel economy. Furthermore, expect the integration of the Ram REV electric model and a new Ramcharger range extended EV model, giving buyers unprecedented choices in electrified power. Ram continues its tradition of offering trims for everyone. Pricing for the 2026 model is expected to start just over $45,000 for the base Tradesman, climbing well into the $80,000 for the ultra-luxurious Limited and high-performance TRX replacement trim. This strategic price gap allows Ram to compete fiercely against both Ford and Chevy in every segment. You can expect to see these new trucks rolling into U.S. dealerships throughout 2026. While retaining its muscular profile, the 2026 Ram receives a refined exterior. Look for a redesigned grille, modernized lighting signatures with sweeping LED daytime running lights, and an advanced power tailgate. Ram is also focusing on utilitarian features, such as the improved Ram Box cargo management system and built-in power outlets, making it the most functional bed in the business for U.S. contractors and weekend warriors. Ram has long been the king of truck interiors, and the 2026 model is set to widen that gap. The cabin is expected to be even more luxurious, featuring premium materials, open-pore wood, and high-quality leather even on mid-level trims. The centerpiece is a massive, vertically oriented 14.5-inch Uconnect 5 infotainment screen, alongside a separate 10.25-inch screen dedicated to the passenger. This passenger screen can handle navigation and entertainment, making the front cab a dual command center, a feature no major competitor offers yet. By ditching the V8 for a more potent, efficient straight 6 and doubling down on luxury and technology, the 2026 Ram 1500 is not just keeping up, it's raising the bar for the entire truck segment. It successfully blends traditional, rugged capability with a plush, high-tech experience. What do you think of Ram saying goodbye to the HEMI? Is the Hurricane engine enough to win you over? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Improve Autos for all the latest on upcoming US vehicles.